Students, today we will continue our reading of block 19 soil. So this is your content book. Open page number 16. So today we will read how formation of soil occurs. But before starting reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class we studied about that uses of soil, how soil is useful to us. Soil helps in plant growth. Soil is a home of number of creatures like earthworm, snail, okay, and mud is formed from soil. When soil mixed with water, that form mud, and mud is used to make pottery, okay, and chulas in the villages, okay. Then student, is water and air is present in soil? Yes, water and air both present in soil, because the animals which are living in soil like earthworm, they can breathe through air in the soil. And water, yes, we are not pouring water on plant, we are pouring on soil. हम water किस पे देते हैं? Soil पे या plant पे? Soil पे. That then water absorb the, yes, plant absorb the water from soil. Okay beta. Then what is a formation of soil? Means how soil form. So soil is formed from rocks. Okay beta. Soil किससे form होती है? Rocks से. Okay. Rocks break into small pieces. Like rocks जो होती हैं वो इस तरीके से बड़ी बड़ी होती हैं. Then they can break to form small piece. Okay. Then they can form a sand granules. Okay. इस तरीके से sand granules बन जाएंगे. Then rocks break into smaller pieces due to heat, cold, snow, wind and rain. Okay beta. How the rocks break? Because wind and water rub against the rock. Wind and water rub against the rock. The force in wind की जो फोर्स होगी उससे रॉक्स ब्रेक हो जाएगी. ओके. एंड द सन हीट्स अप द रॉक एंड कूल एट नाइट. सो ड्यू टू दिस hot and cold temperature on rock will, yes, what happened? Cracks in rocks, and these cracks become bigger and bigger day by day, and that convert to sand. Okay students, how? Because with the help of wind and water can break the soil, and due to hot in daytime, due to sun, and cold at night, they can make the crack in rocks, and these cracks become larger and larger day by day, and finally they can break and form soil. Okay students, but it takes many years, thousands of years to convert rock into soil. Okay student, so if any person want to use right now sand of rock, what will happen? There are number of machineries are working who are converting rocks into soil, and that soil are used in making our homes. Okay beta. Then natural conversion of rocks, that process is it takes millions of years for rocks to break into pieces and form soil. This process is called weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks. Okay students. Now this is a process. Rain falling on a rock. What will happen? Rain start breaking. Then after many years soil formation start, and finally the layers of soil formed. Okay students, this layer is humus and this layer is rocks layer. Okay, so read your block carefully and we will meet in the next class. Bye student, take care.